My name's Michael Olson with Barron Equipment. I'm a caster specialist, and today I'm going to be going over the ErgoBoost. The ErgoBoost is a safety solution that can move up to 1,100 pounds. We currently have 500 pounds on here just for the demonstration, and just going to show you how easy it is to move in and out of tight spaces. So right now I'm moving 500 pounds with one hand. Look at how easy that is to turn. Then if you want to engage the brake, you push down with your foot and this load is not going anywhere. So you've got that added safety solution. How this works, it's driven with a self-driven fifth wheel caster in the center. When you engage the toggle, it moves, and then you engage the brake.
In this demonstration, look at how easy it is for me to make this tight turn around this corner. According to OSHA, there's around 60,000 forklift injuries per year. The ErgoBoost is the safety solution. Decreases injuries, reduces push-pull force, and improves employee morale. Thank you for choosing Barron Equipment. Feel free to reach out for your in-person demo today. Thank you.